Hello student, now we are going to see this sort division method. This sort division method deals with the method that we are no need to see a division. We have to only show here quotient and remainder. See one thing. We'll first draw here one as this. Now see, we have to multiply, that means we have to divide this 82 by 7. Before that we have to read the table of 7. And by reading the table of 7, we got here 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7, okay, and 1 is gone here. Since it is 1 gone here, it become 12, okay, and now this 12 is divisible by 7 again, so we can say that 7 1 ja 7 again, and we got as remainder here 5. How? See here. If we normally divide 82 by 7, we'll get 7 1 ja 7, 1 2, and 7 1 ja 7 again, and we'll get here 5 as remainder. So we can say this lower this portion answer, that means it is our quantity, that means 11, and this is left, it is our remainder 5. So in this here step here, divide 8 tenths, that means this 80 by 7, and we get 8 tenths when divisible by 7, we'll got here 1 tenths, this 1 10, okay, that means 7 10 ja 70 and become 10 here, yes, and this 10 is and as our remainder, and when this 10 added with these two ones, we get 12 ones, as here we got it 12 ones, and again we divide these 12 ones by 7, and we get division as 1, that means as this 1, and we got remainder as 5, this 5. So this method we have to show in our rough, and we have to do this in direct in their portion. See next another example. see देखो आप, ये है 846 को 9 से डिवाइड करेंगे, तो यहाँ क्या हमको यहाँ डायरेक्ट नहीं शो करना है, तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे बना लेंगे. 846 को हम पहले डिवाइड कर लेंगे 9 से साइड में, 9 8 ये नहीं जाएगा तो 2 लेना पड़ेगा, 84 हो जाएगा, तो 9 9 जा हम 81 लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है, और यहाँ पे 3 आ गया, और ये 6, और ये फिर 9 4 जा यहाँ पे 36 होता है, इसलिए कट जाएगा, 0 आ गया. सो ये जो हमारा जो आया 94, ये हमारा यहाँ हो गया क्वांटियन आंसर, और इधर हमारा रिमाइंडर हो गया 0. सो हम लोग लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पर क्वांटियन 94 हो गया, रिमाइंडर हो गया 0. तो ये शॉर्ट मेथड है, इसको इस तरह से बनाना है, यहाँ पे बस रफ करना है और यहाँ पे बस वैल्यू पुट करना है. अगला आप देखो, यहाँ पे 2415 है, इसको 6 से डिवाइड करना है, 2 नहीं जाता तो 2 डिजिट लेना होगा, तो 24 हो गया. तो फिर हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे साइड में एक रब बनाएंगे ऐसे, फिर इसको नॉर्मल डिवीज़न करेंगे, फिर यहाँ 6 लेंगे, 6 4 जा हमारा 24 होता है, कट गया. फिर ये 1 उतारे, नहीं जाता तो यहाँ एक 0 देना होगा, फिर ये 5 उतरा, और यहाँ पे 6 2 जा 12 फिर लेंगे, और यहाँ पे 3 आया, ठीक है. तो अब यहाँ आप देखो, यू कैन सी हियर आवर क्वांटियन विल बी बिकम हियर 402, दिस आंसर, ओके हियर. एंड रिमाइंडर, सी हियर, रिमाइंडर इज आवर हियर 3, so this is our 3. So we can say that our quantity is 402 and this remainder is 3. So in this way we have to do this short method, okay. So this is for 4 point exercise 4 point I think it is not exercise 4.2, we have not done here, we will now going to do it. See here, so this is exercise 4.4. now recall, see 52 by 3. Now again first we divide here 52 normally form by 3, since it is here 1 ja 3 minus it, we'll got here 2, this 2 again 7 ja 21, we got here 1. So we can say here this 17 is our answer, and here this is our 1 as remainder. So we can write here quantity is our 17 and remainder is our 1. See another example, it is your number 1. Now we'll do number 2 of exercise 4. See here, this is number 2. See, that means number 2 not, it is your question number 4. It is your question number 4 of your book. It is question number 4, and this is your question number 6. This is question number 6. Now see question number 4. Now again, what we'll do, see here, where we 1 2 4 9, we'll divide it with first 2. 6 ja 12, this is cut, we bring this 4 here, then 2 2 ja 4, again cut it, then bring this 9 here. Now 2 4 ja 8, minus it, we'll got here 1 as remainder. So we can see here our answer will be here is this 624, and our remainder is here 1. Okay, now see this, so you have to write here again quantient 624 and remainder equal to 1. Now see here 6215, we have to again divide it with 3. So first we'll do again this process. See, 6215, we'll divide it with 3. See here, 3 2 ja 6, cut it, this 2 is not divisible here, so take here 0 1, you remove it, this one here, and 7 ja 21, it is cancelled. Now bring this 5 here, and 3 1 ja 3, and 2 is this, sorry, and no space, so we'll get here 2 is our remainder, this 2 is our remainder. Okay, so we can say here that our, when we divide it with 3, we'll got here 2071, and remainder as we'll got here 2. So we can see here quantient is our 2071 and remainder is our 2. This is your 4.4 exercise of your book. Hello student, now we'll see here the division fact. See here, division fact, that is when we dividing by 1, so that means when we divide a number by 1, the quantient is the number itself. That means we can say that if you divide 5 by 1, we'll get 5. If you divide 55 by 1, we'll get 55, and if you divide 555 by 1, we'll get 555. This is called division fact, dividing by 1. Then dividing by number itself. See here, when a non-zero number, that means non-zero number that is not a 0, that means except 0, every number is a non-zero here. Okay, since here a non-zero number is when divided by itself, the quantient is 1. That means when 7 divided by 7, we get 1. When 77 divided by 77, we get 1. And when 777 divided by 777, we get 1. It is a division fact about number division by itself. Then see here, dividing 0 by a number. Since 0 by a number, that means when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, the quantient is 0. That means if 0 is divided by 8, we got 0. If 0 is divided by 88, we got 0. And if 0 is divided by 888, we got 0. That means when 0 is divided by a non-zero number, that means that number is not a 0, then its answer is always 0. Okay, now see then dividing by 0. See, we cannot divide a number by 0. That means we cannot divide a number, any number, by 0, because answer is not able to get. Okay, for that reason a number is not able to divide by 0. Now see this exercise 4.5. See here, state true or false. That means we can divide a number by 0. It is true or false, because here we cannot divide a number by 0, so it is we cannot, so it is false. Dividing a number by itself gives 0 as the quantity. Wrong, because dividing a number by itself we got here 1, so it is false. Dividing a number by 1 gives 1 as the quantity. If a number is divided by 1, we not get 1. That means we get that number which is divided by 1. So it is also false, since here it given. And dividing a number by 0 gives 0 as the quantity. Dividing a number by 0 gives 0. No, it is not 0 quantity. Okay, so it is also false. Now see, dividing 138 by 1 we get 138, and dividing 2, that means 267, when divided by which number we get this, we have to divide with 1. In this way we have to do this. See here, 712, when divided by which number we get 1, we have to divide with it 712 number. Same number if we divide it, we get 1, since according to their rules is given. In this way we have to do this exercise, and this exercise have to do you. Now see one thing, student. Now we are going to learn about division by 10, 100 and 1000. See, when we divide a number by 10, then we get quotient removed by one digit, since because there is 1 0 after 1 in 10. For that reason, one digit is removed of the number and the one digit is the remainder. See here, 32,759 when divided by 10, we'll got here our quantity as 3,257 tens and 9 ones. That means 1 plus 1 tens in this way. But our quantity is 3,257 and remainder is 9. So we can do here, see here, when this 1, since here 1 0 and divide, and we remove this here 1 digit, so we get our quantity as 3257, and this 1 as removed as remainder in it is for 10. Then we'll see here, when a digit is divided by, when a number is divided by 100, then we have to remove 2 digit. We have to remove 2 digit, removing 1 and 10 digit. That means 1 and 10, that means 2 digit we have to remove from the right, and this 2 digit become our remainder. See here we 79 is removed as there is 2 digit in 100, so and this 79 become our remainder, and this 322, so 325 power is quotient. See here, if you remove here, see this 200, this 2 digit is removed here, since it's 2 digit after 100, that means 1. So this is our 325 per quotient, and this removed digit is our remainder. Same thing we can do here in 1000 also. In 1000 we have to remove the 3 digit from the right, 1, that means we have to remove the 1 digit, 1 tens and 100 digit place. That means the left as remainder and the remaining as our answer. See here, when 32,579 is divided by 1000, we'll get 32 as our quotient and 579 ones plus 1000 is our remainder. See here, so about 32 is quotient and remainder is 579. So we can say here, since here is 3 digit 0, we have to remove here 3 digit, so our 32 is our quotient and remainder is our 579. Okay, now we'll see exercise 4.6. Here we'll see number 1a. We have to divide 3000 by 10. Since here is 1 0, we have to remove only 1 digit here, so it quotient is 300 and remainder is 0, since this is 0. In this way we can do, see, 24,760 we have to divide with 1000. Since here in 1000 there is 3 0, so we have to remove here 3 digit, and this 3 digit when removed we get 24 as left, and this is our quotient, and this 760 is our remainder. In same thing you see here, we have to see 2125 we have to divide with 100, and since in 100 there is 2 zeros, so we have to remove the 2 digit. This two digit become our remainder removed, and the quotient is become the left here, so 21 is our quotient. So in this way we can do this. Number 2a this is. Next we'll do two more examples here. 12,500 here to divide with 100. Since in 100 there is two zeros, so we have to remove the two zeros, and we have got here zeros. Here we got here 125 as quotient. And see here, same thing is here, we have to remove, so you have got the remainder here 50, and we left it this as our answer 623. See, in 2 number it is asked that which of the following have no remainder. So here is in B number, it has no remainder because it is 0. So this is our answer. This is our 4.6 that we have learned. Thank you.